Hi, today I'll show you how to create an email signature with clickable icon links. But you might be wondering, why would I want a professional signature for my messages? Well, first of all, it can actually increase your chances of getting a response from your recipient. After all, it shows more of your information in a clean and easy to grasp way. And secondly, a good email signature doesn't rely on too much HTML, so it won't negatively affect your deliverability. So you really can't go wrong with making one. Open your browser and search for Woodpecker Email Signature Generator. Click on the first link. You'll land on the start page of Woodpecker's free deliverability-friendly signature generator. Here, you can check out different templates and choose the right one for you. For this tutorial, I'll click on Template 1 as I find it very clean and organized. Click on the next step. Here, you'll need to input your data, email address, social media, workplace, etc. That part's easy. The only thing you might struggle with a bit is uploading your photo, so let me quickly show you how to do that. For that, you'll need to upload your photo to your favorite image hosting platform, one that keeps your image forever. For example, you can use IMG Box. You don't even have to publish the photo publicly, but you'll need to grab a link to the actual image file. It should end with a .jpeg or .png extension. The best way to do that is to copy this domain, paste it into a new tab, and press Enter. Now click the Upload Image button. Select your image and click Open. From the content type, select Family Safe Content. Next, click Start Upload. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once it's done, copy the URL link from the BB code box. Delete the extra part of the URL before HTTP and after .jpg. Now copy this edited link and paste it in the image box section. You can adjust your photo size here. And you're done. It's time to fill in the rest of the fields. In this field, write your email sign-off. Now enter your personal details, your name, job title, department, and company name. Next, fill in your contact information, email address, website link, and physical address. If you don't want to include something from the pre-made list, just leave it empty and it will be removed from your final signature. Scroll down to the social media section. Here, you can add your social media links or handles and delete unwanted social media icons by leaving them empty. Next, click on Add Style. This section is super easy and allows you to fine-tune your signature. Colors, fonts, sizes, just play around with it and make it truly personal. You can choose your social media icon style, icon size, font size, font color, and more. When you're done, click on the Create Signature button. And that's it. Now you have a new professional email signature ready to be admired by all your recipients. You can also download the HTML file, copy the email signature, or copy it as HTML code. I'm going to copy this email signature.
Now I'll show you how to add this email signature to your Gmail account. Open your Gmail. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. You'll see a drop-down menu. Select See All Settings. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Click on Create New, then give your signature a name. I called mine Text Signature. Now you'll see a field where you can paste your signature. Just paste it there. Below the email signature field, you'll see the signature default preferences. Select Text Signature from the drop-down menu. Next, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Start composing a new email and you should be able to see your new signature in the message box. From now on, the signature will be included with every email you send. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.